Hello and welcome to Simple Science Hacks. In this video series, I am going to explain some great science phenomena with simple and quick experiments using household items. My name is Vidhi and let's get started with the first experiment. So this is a very simple experiment that will explain what surface tension is and how it works. You don't need much items in this. Everything can be found at home. All you need is a dish or a plate that is preferably light in color so that you can see what is happening on it, some water, a very little detergent. You can use soap or a hand wash or a dishwashing detergent, and a very little, a pinch, ground black pepper. Let's see how it goes. So now I'm going to pour some water in this dish. Just a little is enough. You don't have to fill it completely to the rim. And then I'm going to sprinkle some ground black pepper. And you can see that the particles of the black pepper are floating on top of water. Now I am going to put my finger in this soap solution so that the soap comes on tip of my finger. This much is enough to do this experiment. Let's see what happens. Wow! So what is happening here is that pepper sits on the water because of high water surface tension. Water molecules are strongly attached to each other. But when you add soap, it breaks up the water's surface tension, causing the water molecules to pull away from the soap. And as water molecules spread, they take away with the pepper. Almost like magic, right? It is the same reason how an insect can float on water or how a needle can float on water without sinking, even if it has a higher density than water. So now you know what surface tension is. Stay tuned for another cool experiment. Thanks for watching.